To scan a Cash App QR code, start by opening the Cash App on your mobile device. Make sure you have the latest version of the app installed and that your device has a working camera. First, tap the profile icon on the top left corner of the screen. Then select the option to receive money. Next, choose the method you want to use to receive money, which in this case is scanning a QR code. You will then be prompted to allow Cash App to access your camera. So tap OK to proceed. Point your camera at the QR code you want to scan, making sure it is centered and in focus. The app will automatically detect and scan the QR code. Once the QR code is scanned, the app will display the user's name and the amount they want to send. Verify that the information is correct. Then tap Confirm to complete the transaction. It is essential to ensure that you are scanning a legitimate QR code from a trusted source to avoid any potential scams or fraudulent activities. Always verify the user's identity and the amount being sent before confirming the transaction. By following these steps, you can easily scan a Cash App QR code and receive money from friends, family, or anyone else using the app. Remember to always prioritize security and only scan QR codes from trusted sources.